What is up, my YouTube friends? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the new NARS Afterglow Liquid Blushes. I got all 6 of them and I'm going to be trying them on live in front of you guys, giving you swatches, all of that good stuff. So I'm very excited to get into this video. But before we jump into this video, do not forget to subscribe down below and hit your notification bell so that you can be the first to know when I upload new and exciting makeup videos. And let's jump straight into this review video. Alright. So, like I said, I got all 6 of the new NARS blushes right here. We got the color Dolce Vita Orgasm. Cult favorite. NARS is known for Orgasm Blush, Behave, Wanderlust, Brazen, and Insatiable. So all of these colors look like they are really good blush shades. So this is what they look like on the packaging. Like I said, I think it's a really nice array of colors for blushes. I think all of these colors would definitely complement a wide range of skin tones. Like for me, Wanderlust, straight off the bat, it's the most purple out of all of them. This is something that I would not immediately gravitate to, but I mean, it looks like a very fun shade. I love me a purple. Let's see what the applicator on this looks like. Very nice. Right off the bat, I am really loving the way that this applicator looks like. It's a nice slanted chunky applicator. As you can see, it grabs a really good amount of the product. Yeah, I think the applicator size is very appropriate for what the product is, and I think this is going to dab on very easily. I think it's going to apply very nicely, evenly, and easily. So this is like my prediction just from observation. But before I get into the application, I want to just kind of review what is being said online on the Sephora website about this product. So the NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush is loaded with hydrating skincare benefits. It creates a lasting, natural looking glow with a buildable, transfer resistant formula that layers and blends without streaking. Okay. Infused with sodium hyaluronate for 8-hour hydration plus vegan collagen. Ooh, yes, vegan collagen for healthy looking skin. So we love that. I think it's amazing that they have these really great, awesome skincare benefits. On the Sephora website, these retail for $32 and you get 7 milliliters of product. So not bad considering that it has those really nice hydrating ingredients on there. I do wonder how it's gonna wear throughout the day and whatnot. But so let's go ahead and start our makeup application. This is just really exciting. Maybe I should zoom you guys in just a little bit. So now that we're all zoomed in, let's go ahead and start our application by dabbing. Dab. So I did 3 dabs and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it in with a somewhat fluffy synthetic brush. That's pretty. Okay, so very subtle. It's a little bit more subtle than what I was like anticipating it to look like, considering that this to me looks like a very bright color on the actual packaging. This is Wanderlust. So how about let's go ahead and go in with a second layer. So I am dipping it again. I want to make sure that I have a nice amount on there, and we're just gonna give it a couple more dabs there. I added a significant amount, as you can see here. Okay. I think it's kind of removing some of my foundation, but I mean, the tint is there. How about I just tap it with my fingers, maybe just like 2 dabs. We're gonna work with it. So I'm just gonna tap. Okay, I think the fingers worked a little bit better. I didn't get a lot of like transfer on my fingertips, but it's not really showing up on my skin tone. I am fairly tan right now. I think Wanderlust, this color would look a lot prettier on like more fair skin tones. And by fair, I mean like very fair skin tones. I think that way that purple hue undertone would really kind of like pop. But I mean, I think it's pretty. On the initial application, it felt like really cooling. Like I could feel those really nice skincare ingredients kind of like seeping into my skin, and I felt like that coolness that you get especially after you apply your skincare and whatnot. I love the glow. I think it's very, very pretty. It's wearing very beautifully. It's definitely like a dewy finish, as you can see here. It's like you can see the glow, and I'm kind of like really into that. I would definitely like, if you pop some highlight over this, it would just kind of like take it to the next level, if you know what I mean. Next up, I'm going to try the shade Behave. Oh, it's pretty. It's like a very pretty baby pink shade. I love it. It's very pretty. Let's go ahead and try dabbing it on. Dab, 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 dab. I can tell already it's pretty pink. Okay, so I'll just leave my brush and I'll just go ahead and use the fingers. Fingers are doing a good job. It's showing up. So without doing too much blending, I can already see I have a very pretty light pink undertone. I think I like Behave a lot more than Wanderlust. Wanderlust is pretty. It's pretty, but I think Behave, to me, it's like more of like an everyday color, something that I can see myself wearing when I'm not so tan. We're gonna dip it one more time. Picked up a nice chunk there. And then again, we're gonna use our fingertips because I felt like my brush removed too much of my foundation and product. Oh yeah, do you see that? That kind of like took it to the next level. Oh, that's pretty. Yes. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. So I think the second layer really got the party going and our color's looking poppin'. My skin looks like healthy. I look like I just applied my skincare routine because that's how like fresh and glowy my skin looks. So when NARS is saying that this comes with skincare ingredients, like, I believe it. I mean, look at my skin and look at how glowy and hydrated my face is looking. I'm excited. I'm excited now. All right, so I went ahead and applied a fresh layer of foundation. The next colors that I'm going to try out are two of NARS's cult favorite, always sold out. Like, they've been around forever. I would say maybe as long as NARS has been around. I am talking about Orgasm and Dolce Vita. So as you can see, Orgasm is a little lighter, and then Dolce Vita is definitely more intense of a pink, but they're both pinks. Orgasm is known to have a lot of like gold. I wonder if that's going to translate on this new NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush. Okay, so it's very pretty. So by looking at it, I do see like the specks of gold. So let's go ahead and try it on and see if that translates onto whoa, the blend here. So I'm applying a very generous amount, and again, I'm just gonna use my fingertips. Oh my god. Ooh. Yes, rosy glow, let's go. That is beautiful. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I'm excited now. Let me try a second layer to see if we can kind of like amp up the intensity of our Orgasm Afterglow Liquid Blush. And again, use our finger technique. Ooh, she's bright. She is, she is bright. Oh, look at that blush. Yeah, buddy. Isn't it gorgeous and pigmented and just so flirty? This right here gives me like spring vibes, and I am all for it. I think it looks great. I think NARS really nailed the Orgasm color like they always do, honestly. I think it looks so beautiful. So far, this has been my favorite color. And at first, like on the actual packaging, it makes it seem like it's gonna be like ultra light, like baby pink. But when you actually put it on, as you can see, like the pink hue is there, the gold hue is there, like that undertone, and it just brings it all together. I think it's gonna look beautiful regardless of what skin tone range you're in, whether you're fair skin tone, medium skin tone, tan to deep. Like, I think this is gonna look good on everybody. Like, this is gonna be the it color. This right here is the winner, I feel. Yeah, this is so beautiful. Do you guys have that same feeling that I have right now? Because I hope you do. So let's go ahead and apply Dolce Vita on the other side so we can compare and contrast colors. Oh, Dolce Vita looks wonderful on the applicator. I mean, look at that. That looks like a beautiful, beautiful rosy pink. I think this is going to wear especially well on my skin tone considering how tan I am. So let's give it a go, shall we? Whoa, 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 whoa. That is a lot more pigmented than our previous, so maybe I should blend it. Oh my god. Oh, that's so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Oh, that is like the perfect rosy pink. Dolce Vita is amazing. Oh, it looks, I have to, guys, I have to go in with the second layer. It's looking like so nice. I love this shade. Yes, give me more. Oh my god. The pigment on these blushes is like sending me on a different plane. And it's like a good thing. It's looking so nice. Are you guys seeing this? Like it's blending in so nicely. It is even. The color, the pigment, the payoff is amazing. Even on this side where I have NARS Orgasm, it's looking really nice and even, and I barely had to do any blending. As you guys saw, I used my fingertips to do the blend and it still is so effortless and even, and the pigment is looking so nice. This formula so far has been so amazing, so easy to work with, and especially these two colors right here, Orgasm and Dolce Vita. I mean, look at them. I think they are amazing. They're so pretty and flirty, just so girly, and I really, really love that. I just think these are so great, and I'm definitely keeping these two shades right here in my collection for sure. And last but not least, we have Brazen and Insatiable. So let's go ahead and start with Brazen with the lighter color. It's a coral. So we have a coral, very pretty, very bright. So let's see how it wears. It is very bright. Oh my god. What did I get myself into? Oh my god, it's bright. It's bright, it's bright, it's bright. Ooh, but it's pretty. Ooh, I think I really like it. Yes. There you go. Look at that. So blending it out, all is well. And I think like the coral hue undertone is looking really nice. Like I'm enjoying this. This looks so nice. It complements the skin very, very nicely, especially right now that I have this NARS foundation that has this really pretty golden undertone. I think Brazen is really kind of like wearing very nicely over that. Honestly, all of these colors have been so wearable so far, and I just think they have been a dream to work with, really. I really haven't had any trouble with working with any of these colors so far, so how about we just are bold and we go in with the second layer to see what our color payoff looks like. It's a little bright, so I'm definitely going to remove whatever is left on my fingers, and I'm just gonna try to maybe use the rest of my fingers to remove some of the pigment because I feel like it was a little bit too much. Yeah, the undertone is looking right. It's looking correct. It's not giving me like crazy fuchsia vibes. It's just looking very beautiful, very seamless. I love the glow. I definitely love the glow that it's giving me, and I don't know, it's giving me healthy, and I'm here for it. So this is what Brazen looks like. Very nice. All right, last but not least, we have Insatiable. So this is our deepest shade. This is our plum in this collection. Oh yeah, oh yeah, it is plum. I mean, check that out. It is plum, plum, plum. I wonder if this might be too dark for me. Let's go ahead and give it a go. I'm a little hesitant to go in with this, not gonna lie, but well, you know, in life, you just have to go for it sometimes and be bold and make bold moves. I'm kind of giving myself like a pep talk before I blend this out, so moment of truth. Oh my god, was this a mistake? Oh my god, I need to blend it out. It is bright. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's okay, Cinthia. You can blend it out. You know how to blend. Maybe I can blend it into my temple to have like an artiste moment. But okay, as you saw, that took a lot more effort and blending than the rest of the colors. Of course, this shade, Insatiable, is the deepest shade and it's a berry for sure. Yes, it's wearable. I was able to blend it out with ease. It did take a little bit more blending than the rest of the shades, and as you saw, I had to kind of like remove some of that intensity, so I am not gonna go in with the second layer like I did with the rest of the Afterglow liquid blushes, but one layer, it was sufficient, and this is what we get. It's very pretty, very beautiful. I just think it's not the color that I would immediately reach for over the rest of all these other amazing shades that NARS came out with. And that does it for this video, my friends. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and found some value from it, please don't forget to drop me a like. Also, consider subscribing. I like to post new and exciting makeup videos on a weekly basis, and also I would love to know your thoughts. What do you think about the new NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush? Drop your comment down below. And like always, I want to thank you so very much for watching. I will see you on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys!